So here we are in the lovely Beachfield Court. It's absolutely like a hotel in this apartment block here. So this is a spacious living dining room with views towards the front of the property, and then kitchen with all the appliances in it, all built in. Lovely fridge, freezer, hob and oven. We are all ready to go. So this one comes reduced now in price, and it is end of a chain, so no chain involvements with this one. Lovely double bedroom here with views again to the front, and the added bonus for having this lovely walk-in wardrobe. Lots of storage in there, and then you have a spacious cupboard here with shelves and the boiler, but great space for storage. And then we have the shower room, which is a ready to go walk-in shower room as well. So if there's anything else you'd like to know about this lovely apartment, then please do give us a call. Number as always 01643 706917. We'd be delighted to hear from you.